From a place where kei te hiakaia hauki e nei kōrero ai. And I think for people to not give is to be matapiko. But I do kind of understand like certain kōrero, you know, I guess when you give it to people, you've got to give it to them wholeheartedly and kind of let them know the responsibilities or whatever that comes with that kōrero.
Do you think for some whānau, in some whānau, the tikanga is that it's not I'm sending it to you on Facebook, you come to me and
Yeah.
We'll have a kōrero and I'll pass you these photos, I won't send you the link. But then others are being matapiko. So sometimes people they withhold genealogy or names because the names are tied up in land. So it's all in the land courts, they have the minutes of the names and you have everyone's genealogy is in there. You Google a name, it will bring up something. It might not always be connect, but it will sort of take you on a path that way.
Ancestry.com,
yeah.
Our boy, he loves that.
It's a good site.
I guess the importance of knowing your whakapapa, where you come from and how that all interconnects. So our whānau, we have connections to Rangitane, but I don't know those connections. But Uetonga knows, no moaupoko ia. Ko moaupoko te tuakana. You know, I tēnei horopaki. He just come home and said, Mama, no rangitane mātou nea. I said, ai, kare kore. And this is me not understanding or realising how big or significant this actually is. And so I sent a message to my cousin and I said, Uetonga needs his whakapapa to rangitane, can I have it please? And he sends it. And so I just printed it out, gave it to him on a paper and said, anei. And I thought, like, for me it wasn't a big thing, but to see how her Uetonga was, I tino rongo I te mama. I guess in that moment, the most important thing was ensuring that Uetonga was okay. But it kind of all, you know, it's a big thing to kind of know how you associate to a place. Because having a knowing isn't always enough. Our big boy, but he's okay. He's our whakapapa king and tōna wā.
Just on there, like about whakapapa, our boy, he because we moved his room out into our little lounge, pretty much, and he made it his own job to put our dead people on their wall. Like we got a wall for the dead people, and he's lined them up in their categories. This is who belongs to who. This is belong to who. And me and Teagues are sitting there like, who are those ones? And he's like, oh wow, because you don't know, this and this equals this, and this equals this, and I was just like, far. So like, just thinking about how interested he is in that. It's like our responsibility to poipoi that, to nurture that.
I suppose that too is a positive result of the culture you've built around him, is that it came to him and he just knew that this is my gift is that I'm going to be our whakapapa keeper for the whānau. And had he not had the culture you guys built around him, he probably would have, that just slipped right past me. But it's cool that you guys are nurturing it too. That's a gift there.
Like he's making 20 million holes in the wall.